ChatGPT. Today in this video, we'll talk about the future of ChatGPT, what are the businesses it is going to cover, and how you can generate money with this AI tool. Okay, so let's get started. So those who don't know what is ChatGPT, then let me tell you guys, ChatGPT is an AI-powered conversational agent. And GPT here, GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It's a technology. नहीं समझ में आया कोई बात नहीं. Okay. This technology is basically used to engage in natural language conversation with user. So you can consider GPT as a type of machine learning algorithm that is trained on vast amount of data to generate human-like response to natural language input. Okay. Now, why ChatGPT is popular? ChatGPT is popular because it provides personalized conversational interaction with the user without the need of human intervention. समझ रहे बात को? Means when you are talking to the ChatGPT or you are expecting some response from the ChatGPT, it will give you the response as somebody else sitting behind the phone, and that somebody is sending us that response. It's just like that. It's so natural. You might have used it, you might have experienced it. So it's just like that. So this is one of the key benefits of ChatGPT is that it can understand human languages. It can understand natural language input, slang, in fact typos also. And this make it easier for user to interact with the platform and get the information they need without going and navigate on the internet or reading the FAQs. You just type it, write down your question, the AI will respond. ChatGPT will give you a response. Another benefit of this platform is the scalability. So it can handle number of concurrent requests, and it can provide businesses to 24/7 support to their customer. And how this will help? This will help to improve customer satisfaction and reduce the workload of customer service team. So पहला use case क्या मिल गया? 24/7 support to the customer. किसकी जॉब जा सकती है, और आई कैन से द वर्कलोड विल बी रिड्यूस्ड इज द कस्टमर सपोर्ट, हमारी सपोर्ट टीम. ओके, द फ्रंट एंड सपोर्ट. सो इट इज रियली गोइंग टू हेल्प देम आउट. Nowadays more businesses are recognizing the power of AI conversational agent. Point number 2, one of the potential area of growth for ChatGPT is healthcare. I have something to say. In my previous videos, I have talked about an app called Next Level by Unacademy. Guys, I have already talked about Next Level and their seasons, in my previous videos. But those who have not heard of Next Level, let me tell you guys, Next Level is a gamified coding competition platform. And on that platform, you can have fun gameplay, coding matches with anybody. And you can get the proficiency rating. And with the help of that rating, you can unlock multiple jobs in top companies. And guess what? Every month in next level season, top 3 winners can get prizes like MacBook, iPad, Kindle. But here comes the major benefit. Your rating unlock the opportunity to interview and get placed in companies like KPMG, Paytm, Cashify, FirstCry and many more. ये इंडिया के सबसे बड़ी कंपनीज में जॉब लेने का मौका है, बस एक गेम खेलकर. है ना इंटरेस्टिंग? If you still have doubt, so let's meet the winners from the last season. Front end January seasons के winner हैं श्रीहरि, रेहान, अव्यांश. And back end seasons के winner हैं धीरेन्द्र, हिमाजा, रोहित. They have been awarded the Apple and Kindle goodies. On top of this, they are interviewing for the companies जो कि मैंने पहले बता दिया था. But guess what? You still have a chance. You can participate for the February seasons and the leaderboard is up. जितना जल्दी खेल के जितना ज्यादा मैच जीतोगे उतना ही ज्यादा चांसेस होंगे आपके टॉप पे आने के. So hurry up.
And guess what? You can invite your friend to level up.
So go and check out Next Level to healthcare industry. With the rise of telemedicine and virtual healthcare, there is a growing need of conversational agent that can provide personalized health advice and support to the patient. In fact, GPT can be used to provide real-time health advice. And even it can, I think the future could be, even it can provide the emotional support. In the future, if I see how the AI is evolving, it can also provide emotional support to the patient dealing with chronic diseases, XYZ stuff. Are you getting my point? It's something like a human is sitting in front of you, and how the human advise you. They talk about the truth, the reality, the harsh reality, as well as they console you. They keep you motivated. That's how in future the AI can look like. The AI can send their responses. Now let's talk about where you can use ChatGPT and make income. So guys, you need to understand the use cases. You need to find out the use cases of ChatGPT. So think about, this is some system, the AI system, which can do anything you want. Now think about a use case, like many company has started using it. Many people in general, not the company, the many people are making extra source of income with the help of ChatGPT. Shall I give you a few examples? Like many website you are seeing nowadays can write a code, fully fledged code. You just have to type what code you want. How that is working? It's working with AI. In fact, I have seen many websites are writing just for a design, just for database queries. So you just have to type what query you want and it will give you the queries. So these are the way people are thinking and integrating this this AI platform into their website, and they are thinking about the use case. So you need to think about your use case. Suppose you want to use it for making an travel advisory website. Think about that, travel advisory website. You want to put this AI, you can integrate this AI platform and you can make it work for, you can help people for planning their trips, for planning their stays and XYZ stuff, like a travel plan, right? That way you can also think about a use case. I just gave you an example. You can make it as a travel advisor or travel planner or marriage planner or something like that, can you imagine? And that's how you can generate an income. So think about a use case and try to play with it. This is not a platform only to help you out with your essays or article, but it is beyond that. Try to explore it. Okay? So this is all about this evolving conversational agent ChatGPT, which is ruling over the internet like anything. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.